Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to try out something new. So you have seen over internet that many people try to clean the headlights with the baking soda and toothpaste, WD-40 and even many other things like some with the insect killers also. So this time I'm trying something new, like totally new, which is not in over internet. So I had already cleaned one headlight, so I'll just give you a clear view of this light. This is clean, as you can see. So it's faded out, it's nothing. You cannot see even the pulp inside or anything inside. You can just let me give you a close look. So here is the headlight. You can see nothing. You cannot even see the inside the bulb and all. Even the orange light over here, it's faded out. You cannot see anything over here. So this is the light which I'm showing you. You can see it is pretty much cleaned, and even the bulb you can see inside, and the orange light over here you can see cleanly, and all the shape inside you can see. The glass is pretty much cleaned over here. In this video we are going to use a hand sanitizer, as you can see. So it's Rich Ultra and hand sanitizer. Show it in the picture. As you can see in the picture, this is going to be used. I'm using Rich Ultra hand sanitizer, you can see over here. So it's pretty much used. I was just trying to clean the other headlights, so that's used. So here's the hand sanitizer, and you're going to apply it over here and clean it with some cloth. So let's just start the progress and see how this thing changes. Alright guys, the hand sanitizer and some cloth. So first we're going to apply this hand sanitizer over here. And yeah. You can see the dust, it's coming out. So let's just turn the cloth over, and here is some clean part. This time I'm going to apply it over here. You can see the cloth color is changing. So let's just clean this properly, because it's going to take time.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so hand sanitizer we have used, and now it's time for me to clean this with some soap and all. So here's water and here's some soap.